If your iPhone screen flickering, and sometimes it happens that your iPhone screen starts flickering. So to fix this issue, the first workaround is the main reason behind flickering of your iPhone screen is your display screen and logic board of your iPhone does not contact each other. So turn off your phone and slightly rub with both finger to the screen so that your logic board inside iPhone and your display screen touched or joints together. So slightly rub your iPhone and thereafter turn on your iPhone. And if this method does not fix, then next method is tap on settings of your iPhone, scroll down and go to accessibility settings, tap on it, and here tap on look for display and text. Here tap on display and text, scroll down and make sure that color filters is disabled. If you found it enabled, simply disable color filter, and also auto brightness turn off this feature. Auto brightness and color filter, both options should be disabled. If you found it enabled, then disable these features and check whether your iPhone screen flickering issue resolved or not. If not, one more fixes is force restart your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button, and home screen button. Press and hold home screen button until Apple logo appear on your screen. If your phone is iPhone 15 or above, then conjointly press volume button and home screen.